guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we made a gallon of cereal milk slime, and I made this with
Kelly
from
Kelli Maple.
So if you want to see us make this slime, then keep on watching. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into this. This isn't really a tutorial, this is just us making the slime. If you want to see a tutorial, let us know in the comments. Yeah, so let's get right into this.
Let's jump right into the video.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with this gallon of Elmer's school glue, and we're gonna just jump in with all of it.
Don't do a ton. That's good.
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake.
The amount of times it squirted me is too many. Aloe. Don't do all of it, because we won't need all of it. That's probably good. Those 20.
If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the
30.
I put 28.
Okay, time for acting.
book. You know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy if you do the cooking by the book. Then
Okay guys, we finished the slime. So this is what it looks like, and it was such a mess to make this. Stuff was flying everywhere.
Everywhere.
It's gotten everywhere.
My hands are pruning. Okay guys, ready? Guys, this is Go.
Thanks for watching.
Please hit like and subscribe.
And in the comments, let us know.
If this looks like a good slime.
Bye!
Best idea ever! My idea prompts to me. Ain't nobody got time for that. They can't even see this. Stop!
Who has napkins?
No one!
It's boiling. Do not let it. No!
every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you.
That's what you get for getting my hand covered.
This is different.
Move your fingers because your nails just scratched me so hard and it hurts. They're right there.
Thanks for watching.